Do we have any documentation and something like this with this CPQ, Oracle CPQ?
Uh, I don't have any, but the thing is, in the tool itself, you can access the help document.
Here, huh?
Yeah, this is one thing. Whatever the thing you open now
Okay.
in the other tab.
This one,
Yeah,
right? Okay. Mm.
this is one, and this is the tool instance itself. This is having.
Okay.
Yeah. So left side you can see all the sections.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So before we proceed, like, do you have any questions so far?
No. Okay.
Okay.
Where is it? Yeah.
Yeah. So in the configuration, we know about the product hierarchy. That product families will be there, product lines will be there, and models will be there. And apart from all these three levels, if you want to like have any common rules or attributes in all the three hierarchies, for example, if you want to access an attribute in if you have three product families, if you want to access the attribute in all the three product families, but if you create attribute in any of the product family, you can't access it. So you should create that at all product families level.
Okay.
So at a generic level. So apart from these three standard levels, so we have the generic level as well. But there is some other feature in this CPQ called punch-ins, model punch-ins.
Okay.
So what they are is, go to the home page in a new tab and just see our existing product family.
Uh, we don't have that product family. We lost it, right?
Oh, okay, okay. That's okay. You can go to the
Mm.
home page. There are many other product families, right? So that you
Yeah.
can take the help of that.
This is also okay, right?
Not here. Home page, right
Okay.
side top home page. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here on the left side, you can see all the list of product families which are supporting at present.
Yeah.
So like we don't have one, right? So let's go to the bottom.
One second. Where?
Yeah,
Browser.
just go to the bottom
Mode. Okay.
or go to the top. There is something called test product family. Uh, Test product family, yes. Cover it. Oh, someone else is using it. Okay. Come down, or better, let's set up it like quickly. One product family.
Yeah.
Already being used. It's there, looks like. Go back. Go to the next page.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
This is ours, right?
Yeah, it's there. So we don't need to create. Oh, wow. Then how you are saying it's not there? Okay.
I
Okay, do
didn't
one.
see this. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to the catalog definition. Maybe they removed the support, I believe. Go to the catalog definition in a new page. No, whenever you want to open a new page, what you can do is you can use that right side above icons and right click on it and open a new tab. Simple. You don't need to
Mm,
duplicate the page.
okay.
Yeah. So here, go to the bottom product section, left side product section, catalog definition. So in the product definition, our product family is already there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Open the list of product families. So now let's just search for the name games. Not there, right? Games.
Not there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Come to the bottom. Yeah. Click on add. Yeah. Now search for. Yeah. Here it is there. Yeah. Now add it to support. Click on add. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are able to see it here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just deploy the product family once here. Once this is deployed, also deploy at the home page level also. Games, code family. Okay. Yeah. Now check in the home page freshly. Yeah. Now games is there. Indoor sports is there. Badminton is there. Yep. So we have our product family back. So now go to the home page once again. Yeah. So now you have this scroll up. Badminton is there, right? And table
Yeah.
tennis is there. So, for example, uh, badminton got any split. Okay. So badminton, you say, uh, yeah. In the badminton itself, did you ever observe what are the regular bats length is there? There are shorter version of that. There is something called some other game.
Yeah.
In badminton itself there is a different set of game. So in that case what you can do, for example your business is like got cancelled or temporarily on hold for one set of badminton. Okay, out of two types of badminton one business is on hold. Okay, in that
Okay.
case you should not show badminton related stuff, right? I mean that out of two types only one type of badminton related stuff you need to show, otherwise other things you need to hide, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, what you can do? So instead of configure badminton, so you can say configure badminton only for category one or something like that. You can say. So how you can do? So you need to open this model. Then out of all the fields, for example, you have 1,000 attributes, and for set one of badminton you have 500 attributes, and set two of badminton you have 500 attributes. So right now all 1,000 are being displayed occasionally, like whenever it is needed. But now only half of it should be loaded on the UI. So one
Okay.
way is we can hide the attributes with the hiding rules basing on this situation. So otherwise, how we can also do is, so here, uh, whatever the hiding rule you are marking that condition. So by default itself, whatever the attribute basing on the hiding rule you are written on the layout. So that condition itself you can put it here in the badminton. So it's kind of a pre-filling. For example, when you click on this badminton button, your regular page will load. Okay.
Okay.
The help of function, what you can do is you can say quantity of badminton rackets should always be done. If you have any that kind of condition, one way is always defaulting it to 10 quantity, or otherwise what else you can do is with the help of function you can set the value of your attribute on just this button click only. It's not only just for one attribute, you can add multiple attributes like that. So how you can do is go to the admin page in a new tab. Yeah, right click on the gear icon. No need to do that. Cancel it. Yeah, just gear icon is there, right? Admin gear icon, right side top.
Yeah, yeah, admin.
Right click on it. Okay.
Okay, okay. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so that you can right click and you open it in a new tab will take you to that page. You don't need
Yeah.
to duplicate and navigate again.
Mm.
Yeah. So now uh, scroll down, go to the home page. Oh no, not that home page. Go to the admin page. Home page administration. Go to the home page administration link. Go below under style and template section. Home page administration link is there, right? Yeah. Home page.
This one, right? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you can see your product family games will be there. Okay. Expand it. Yeah. So now under games you have two product lines. So for each product line, at last we have models. See, so that is
Yeah.
called model function. That last icon. So for the indoor sports, click on that model function.
Here,
Click on that model function icon. Yeah, first one. Maximize the screen. Yeah. So in this product family, in this product line, you have two models. That's what they are showing.
yeah.
So you can add one more function here. Click on new. Yeah. Say badminton category one or something. Anything. Name.
Oh, what is that?
Badminton category one or anything. Any junk name you can write. Or you can copy the above name. Configure badminton copy and paste it here, and you can say two at the last. So it is the second version of badminton you can assume. Yeah. So yeah, you give the name and variable name. So far everything is the basic one. So now what else you can do is you can use the flow inputs field. With that flow inputs field, you can fill the attribute values by default, and you can organize your UI with the help of that value. So how you can do is just keep this tab like this. Alt
Hmm.
press Alt and go to the other window. Yeah. So here, go to the administration page and navigate to your model. Let's see what all attributes are there. Yeah. Navigate to all product family level, product families, your product family, product line, model, and list of attributes. No, this is product line level, na? Where your attributes are there, model level, I believe. Yeah, open models. Yeah, now click on the attributes list. Yeah, go to the bottom. Now we must be seeing your attributes. Yeah. So here what we can say. Yeah, open bat color. Right click, right click and open bat color. Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, always make a habit of opening with right click, because we sometimes, most of the times, we may need the help of previous page. So in that case, we'll have it ready in the previous tab.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
So now here we should consider the variable name of this attribute. Okay, variable name of this attribute. Copy it. Bad color. Variable name. Copy and yeah, go to the other window. The punch in window what we used. Punch in window.
Okay. This function. Okay.
Yeah,
It
the
is
other
there.
window. Alt tab. Press Alt tab. Mm,
I think we lost that one.
oh, it got. Okay, that's fine. No problem. We can open it again. Yeah. Yeah. Go down. List of product families, product lines, model function. Yeah. Maximize. Yeah. For add new. Yeah. Configure badminton 2.
We saved it, right?
We didn't save.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the flow inputs, paste our attribute, which is there in the other window.
Here.
Yeah. Copy. Bad color. Paste it in the fields. Flow input. Flow input. Second field. Flow inputs field. Yeah. And copy the uh, value of that attribute. Go to the other window. In the attributes, you will have the value of options. Yeah, black or green, anything you can mention. Black or green is the variable name of the option, right? So take
Yeah.
any of the. Yeah. Uh, not there in the uh, previous field itself, like flow inputs field itself.
Equal to only bad color
Plus.
plus. Okay. This is okay, right? Bad color plus black
Yeah.
and green.
Only one option is fine. No need to put two options.
Okay. Save and close.
Yeah. Save and close. Deploy. Deployment is done.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the home page and see. Not here. Home page. Real home page, not administration home page. Yeah. Open the home page in a fresh tab and let's see. Scroll up. Our model.
It's not opening.
Maybe it's not loaded correctly. Can you please refresh the page or try clearing the cache? No. Just clear the cache once. It is not loaded correctly. It is not getting that orange color or something on selecting the product family.
Here only, right?
Oh, no. Just clear the cache. I mean, browser cache, clear it and check again.
Yeah, let me open and go again.
Didn't it work in incognito?
It's not on
Okay. So anything is fine. Clear the cache or try incognito, anything is fine. Yeah, now it's working like fine.
yeah.
Yeah. But how come it is coming like that? It is not loading correctly or what? Open the home page again. Oh, it is messed. Something is messed. Go to the admin page once. Administration home page. Model punch-in. Administration home page. No, no, not here. Home page.
Home
Right
page.
side.
Yeah, yeah.
Product family or what? Games. Yeah, open the punch-in. Scroll up. Okay. Okay, maybe something is messed with the styling, but try to click on that configure badminton too. Go to the home page, actual home page. It shouldn't be missing. So did you try to click on two?
Yeah, two only.
Okay, so two, what we wrote in the values, see, bad color.
Bad color.
Black is predefined, right? Now,
Yeah.
go to the home page and click on the actual model. Don't click on that blue configure two or something. But it is already maybe because of someone's style, I believe. Games, indoor sports.
Mm.
Yeah, now that it's not coming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how you can create a separate path in the home page itself. Instead of directly going to the model, so you can take him into a different flow or different kind of UI by changing the values. For example, if your model is having textiles in some case, and if your model is having again bifurcation, like after textiles, if you have men's and women's, so in that case, how you can do, you can match the hierarchy only with textiles itself. But with the help of these functions, you can create two more options: textiles for men, textiles for women. So like
Okay.
this, you can put your existing model into two buttons. So those two buttons you can show on the UI, and anyone want to click on that button, so he can click on that as well.
Okay.
If two models, you need to create two configuration slots. But this is a one model only, right? In one model only, you're having two splits. So with one
Two.
model,
Yeah.
one configuration flow, you can manage both the functions. I mean, both the model selector functions.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if color equals to black, for example, we took color here. But in general, we can say badminton category is there. So in that badminton category, one will assign to the first function, and category two will assign to the second function. Like that, if we have 5 or 10 categories, we'll assign each category for each function. So whenever he clicks on the button, only for that category the whole UI will load, and all these values what we send as part of the function values, so they will be pre-populated. In the old
Oh,
model, user needs to select bad color, but in this case he don't need to select bad color. Bad color is pre-populated. And how you can match with this with the real-time examples is, so when you buy some products, so there is something called limited edition products will be there, right?
yeah.
I'm just telling you one example. So how it behaves is, so for example, take automobile industry. We'll have different models. For example, take cars. Tata cars are there, right? So different cars and models in Tata will be there. So one is Tata Punch, you can assume, or some other model you can assume. So these are all regular models. So you have different options also. If you select Tata Punch, there you will have black color car, white color car, or red color car, something like that. Okay, some customization is there. But if you have any limited edition cars, what you can say is, so for example, Tata 101 released latest new. So for that, you can create one punch in and you can populate all these things, because that is a limited edition car and it is having no variants. So their color of the car is pre-populated, engine capacity is pre-populated, and fuel type is pre-populated. Everything is pre-populated because we are not giving option to end user to select it, because there are no other variants for us. So we don't need to give end user to select the options. So in that case, these all pre-populated fields can be done with the help of this kind of functions.
Okay.
Yeah. If he wants to buy a limited edition car, then what we will do, we'll freeze all the options. We'll fill the color ourselves, we'll fill the fuel type ourselves, we'll fill the engine type ourselves, everything ourselves. But we will just show the UI and four sets of fields, I mean pre-populated fields and some images,
Okay. Okay.
like that. So like that, we can create multiple functions and use them. But here it should not come like this. Maybe someone is messing with the UI. That might be the issue. This overriding.
Already. Okay.
Yep. So this is a different feature in the configuration apart from the product hierarchy. And I believe we didn't cover formulas. I believe, did we cover formulas in commerce? Do you remember?
Like,
Formulas, like in commerce, if we want to do any calculation, in general, in commerce or configuration, we need to write the BML logic, right? So, form, we
yeah.
don't need to write BML logic.
Yes, yes. We covered that one.
We already covered. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, formula section, yes.
Oh
You
no,
can.
this. Yeah, this one I think we have did.
Okay, this is did we as only.
No, no, this is not us.
Then we didn't cover, I believe.
We didn't cover this one.
We did cover.
No, no, we didn't cover this one.
We didn't. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, what we can do is just take a transaction, open a transaction in a new page, any of the existing transaction, or you can create a new transaction. So,
Okay.
open any of the transaction. Okay. Yeah. So here there are many fields, right? Scroll up. Yeah. Here there are many fields. So scroll little down. Any pricing related formulas or fields are there. Scroll little down. Yeah. Here total section is there, right? So what we can do is we can write a formula. Otherwise, let's do one thing. We can create a formula. So let's create an attribute at uh, main document level, quote level attributes.
Here only, right? Process definition.
Yes, yes. Anything related to the commerce process, you need to go to process definition. So our commerce process, open the list of documents. At quote level means main document level. Yeah. So create one attribute called quote total or transaction total or something. Yeah. Give some variable name and total, right? The total can be in currency type attribute, you can say, or float type attribute you can create. Yeah. Add. Yep. So one more thing, we need to place this on the UI, right? Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. How we will place the attributes on the UI? One thing is directly from the element itself. So this button will be there. This is one way, and the other way is from the admin tab, commerce process, and list of processes. Select our process, main document attributes. Main document drop down. In that there will be a get responsive layout. Something will be there. So there we will add.
It's not opening here.
Why? What happened? Did we create our attributes? Scroll down.
Yeah. Yeah. Good total.
Where is our attribute code?
I think we did not save it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. We need to click on save, then only we can add. Yeah. Code total is there already.
No, it's not there.
It's there. I just saw. Isn't that our attribute? Go back. Search for code total. Code space total.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Yep. So this is our attribute. Yeah. Click on the update. Yeah. Open it again. Yeah. Put it on the layout. Put
Here
it
in the
somewhere. It will be easy, or wherever you are comfortable. Anywhere is fine. And just check whether that attribute is coming on the real-time transaction or not.
it's not allowing here.
Uh, your screen is little. What happened?
Oh, no, no. Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
So yeah, added that attribute.
Yeah. So just check on the layout whether it's coming or not. No. We need to deploy it. Did you deploy?
Oh no no. Yeah, code total.
Okay. So now we are able to see our port level attribute. So now what we can do is scroll little down
Here
on
one,
the
yeah.
on the transaction page. Scroll little down. Go to the line item grid. I'm sorry, little up line item grid. Yeah. So here we have different products. Basing on our use case, we'll add randomly products here. So for all these products, there will be different values will be there. For example, if you have 10 or 15 lines, you want to know the total value of this transaction. So total value of that transaction is nothing but whatever are there in the line item grid, the sum of those values only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll take any of the column. For example, scroll up. Uh, contract value is there, something called, little down, contract value you can see. No, in the line item grid,
Yeah. Yeah.
contract value is there. Go little rightmost side. Okay, we are at the end, right? What, hover on that. What is the contract value name? Hover on it. Contract value net. Okay, what is the other one? Before one? Contract value list. Okay, net only will take. So contract value net is the attribute. Let's assume. So now go to the admin page in a new tab. Yeah. So here, go to the commerce process. Okay, our commerce process. Okay, so here go to the formulas. Open. Yeah. So here, search for our attribute code total, the one which we newly created. Yeah. So on the right side, no, we need to write the formula still. Yes. Yeah. There, uh, do one thing. We need to take the variable name of that attribute. Go to the second tab, transaction. Yeah. Here, do a right click on it, on the value. Right click on the value, any value. Inspect, and let's fetch the attribute's name. Guess the attribute name here. Can you zoom in a little bit? It's hard. If you find it, that's fine. No. Just keep it left side also visible when you put here, so that it should highlight that attribute, right? Yeah. Keep it, yeah. Okay. This should highlight when you hover on the right side. That means that is the correct element then. Yeah. Yep. So now inspect. Right click again. Yeah. Wait. It will automatically highlight. Yeah. This is the thing I believe. So just use up arrows and go up arrows in the keyboard. Yeah. Yeah. Slowly. Wait. This is the one. So here check the name. Uh, yeah, it's there. Did you find the name?
Name.
Yeah, variable name. Contract value underscore L.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the variable name. So double click on it. Copy. Now go to our formulas tab. Yep. So no, not like that. Uh, it is not a constant. Just wait. Go to the label display mode variable name. Yeah. So now add formula. Paste it there. No. Wait. Remove that. Use uh, line or sum. Default functions will be there. Use sum or line. Yeah, sum you can use. Enter parameters. Yeah, here try to enter that variable name. Yeah. Yep. So what we are saying is, whatever the values are there in this entire line level attribute. For example, whenever we are saying line level attribute,
Yeah.
yeah. So whenever we are saying, yeah, paste it. Yeah, select the line level attribute. Yep. So quote level attribute is the main document related attributes. Whatever we create in the sub documents, they are called as line level attributes. On the UI, on the transaction, you can see multiple rows. 3 rows are there right now. So what we want to see, we want to get the total of those 3 lines. So we are using the variable name of that column, nothing but contract value underscore or something. And what we are saying, we are using the sum function. So
Yeah.
what it will loop through all the lines. It will take the value of the contract value and it will sum, and the total value it should show here. So you can click on plus icon now. See, similarly, we got this record. Second record is our new one. So sum of contract value. So one mode is label name and one mode is variable name. So above also you can see one pre-existing record. So there also they wrote some formula. There they wrote here we are using some. There they are using if block.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if that condition got satisfied, they are returning that price list each price or something. They are doing something with that attribute. So that is how we can write different formulas according to use case. So but here we don't need to write any BML.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you click on input mode, input text, it will allow you to write the this logic itself. If the parenthesis or that syntax, you need to write it.
Mm-hmm.
If you are comfortable in writing it, so we can choose that. Otherwise, we can just stick to that wizard mode.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So did we add our rule? Yeah. Just go back.
Back.
Back in the sense this browser back button. Yes. Deploy your product family and let's check whether it is coming or not.
It's not populating. Update.
Did we deploy?
Yeah, we deployed, right?
No. 1 minute. We created the formula, but there is something else. Right. Go to the admin page. A new admin page and navigate to our attribute. Attribute. Yes. Yeah. Main document attribute. Go to the quote total attribute. Yeah. Here, go to the default tab. Yeah. Here, the formula is there, right? Formula option. So this is the
Yeah.
default. If you want to use the formula, whatever is there for this attribute, so you can use that formula on the default. Or if not needed, you can ignore and click on none. It's our intention. So you can click on none for now. If you want on default also, you can check this. And one more area is go to the modify tab. Yeah, here, for example, go to the transaction once, second tab. No, above browser second tab. Yeah, here what actions we have? Yeah, here save button is there, right? So we'll use the save button. So whenever we want some logic, then only we should make sure it is triggering. If we make sure it is running in all the times, so it will be a performance issue. So what we can do is on every save, we can just populate this value so that what we'll do is go to the editor again, formulas, attributes, yeah, here. Above you can see three tabs, right? One is right now you are editing a attribute called quote total. Okay, in the attribute editor you will see three types of actions. So process actions, transaction nothing but main document related actions, transaction line nothing but sub document related actions.
Yeah.
So now you can go to the middle tab, sub document main document related actions. So here search for save, control F and search for save button, click on again. Three occurrences are there. What is one more save? Click on save. Click on enter again. Oh, version save. No, not this one. Yeah, save only. The second one. Yeah. So there, click on use formula radio button. Scroll up. You will see different columns. Yeah. So use formula is that radio button. Click that radio button for your save action. So earlier there the option is there as the last column. Last column is nothing but save from form. What is the intention of the last radio button is whatever the values are there on the screen. For example, if user comes there and enters 100 there, so it will save 100 only. If user enters 200 at a later point of time, it will update the value as 200. But now what you are saying, on save action click, instead of saving from the UI, even though if user enters 500 or 1000, but whatever the value is coming from this formula, that will only be persisted, because you are marking the option as instead of save from, you are selecting it as use formula. So what is your
Okay.
formula? Your formula is doing some calculation. That calculation only will happen. So now come to the bottom and click on update.
Deploy, right?
Yeah, deploy. We need to deploy. Every change, after every change, we need to deploy. If the change is in the commerce process level, we need to deploy commerce process. If the change is in the product family level, we need to deploy product family. If the change is in the hierarchical level, product hierarchy level, then we should deploy at home page level.
Save.
Uh, yeah, did you click on save action?
No. Yeah.
Yep. So is it the correct total? So that's, what is the
Yeah.
total there? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is how, instead of writing a BML logic, we will use this formulas.
Okay.
Yep. And what else we can cover is, so we went through document designer, but there we didn't cover anything related to XSL, right? So let's see that as well. So open the document designer.
Yeah.
In the configuration and commerce, everything, if you want to write some logic, it is through BML. But in the document designer, if you want to write some logic, so you need to write in the XSL. So go to your commerce process and try to create one proposal, one document, create a document. You can say code summary. Depends on the business use case, we will create respective document. You can say proposal document, you can say summary document, whatever is the use case. So we will write that kind of name, but the document is same. Navin, just 1 minute. I'll charge my
Yeah.
laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Yep. Yeah, we are in the document designer, right? So here, whatever the things we place, the left side we have layouts, elements, and document properties, right? Go to the elements and drag one element here. Yeah, elements. Put some text. Yep. Write hello or something. Any text. Anything is fine. Yep. Save. Save. Save the document right side top. Yeah. So now click on XSL. XSL button right side top. So this is the XSL logic of your document. So whatever you build here, everything is converted into a XSL script.
Okay.
So that is the reason, if we want to include any logic here, so that logic we should write in the XSL and we can embed in there. So where we will write that XSL logic is, go to the previous tab, document is in the fourth tab of your browser. Yeah. So here, similarly how you add images, text, tables here. So there, left side in the elements only, you will have one element called XSL snippet. Yeah, drag and drop it here. Yeah, here you can write whatever the XSL logic you want to write. For example, if you want to print a string, so we need to write the how to print a string in the XSL. So there, write 1 minute. I will type in XSL. Yeah, I just pinged you. So this is how we'll just print a string in XSL. Similarly, we have conditional statements. Similarly, we'll have looping statements. So all these will be there. So like we better need to learn the basic of XSL. So then we will be comfortable here. Oh wait, did I miss something? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So put the slash at the last. Yeah. So yeah, and preview. See,
Yeah, okay.
hello is we used with the help of UI, but testing is we wrote with the help of XSL snippet. So similarly, if you want to put any image, similarly, if you want to put any paragraph, either you can do with the UI or you can write with the XSL logic. In some complex situations, we may not handle everything with the UI driven thing. So in that case, we'll take the help of XSL snippet. So whatever the XSL snippet you will write, so this will be part of your main XSL. So open this XSL snippet now.
How to open again? In the
Double click.
same.
Double click.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Copy it. Control and copy it. Yeah. Close this now. Click on XSL button right side top. Now search for your code. Control F and search for your code. Is it there? Yeah.
Yeah.
So that means whatever the XSL code we write, it will be a subset of this main XSL code. So that's why we are writing it logic in XSL here.
Okay.
Yeah. Similarly, we can write all if conditionals how we write in BML. Array kind of things we can handle. String related functions we can handle. So all these things, based on the use case, we need to write our own logic. So yeah, this is how we can write our logic in the through with the help of XSL and the document designer.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. So far, I believe like I covered all the areas. So if you have any questions, like we can discuss accordingly.
Okay. As of now, no. So, no, Karthik.
Okay. Okay.
Let me.
Okay. So like you can discuss in your free time, like as long as you have this instance. Like I believe I'm not sure how much time this instance will be there. So Maya must be telling to you.
Yeah. I will check with her. Like maybe in case